Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another little SAT math questions with us. This question is from the topic of exponents. So, which of the following is equal to k to the power of 5 over 4 for all values of k? A is 4th degree root of k to the power of 5 and B is given as k to the power of 20. C is square root of 4k and D is k to the power of 5 over 2. So to solve this, k 5 over 4, since 5 is on top, and this is going to stay as numerator. So the 4 goes in the denominator. So which means that we will have in this format the answer. So the answer will be A for the specific question. So if you will talk about the other choices, for instance, this one is going to become k 5 stays on top, and this is just gonna stay as in the numerator and the degree of the root, which is equals to k to the power of 5. So I strongly suggest you to go on our YouTube channel to check on the playlist section, where you can find a lot of digital SAT math similar questions for you to practice on your own. Thank you, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you, bye-bye. See you next time.